Seoul, South Korea's Kospi stock index weakened on Tuesday, weighed by losses in tech and auto industries. The won rose while bond yields fell. At 0630 GMT, the Kospi was down 17.98 points or 0.86% at 2082.58, snapping 3 sessions of gains. South Korea's leading chipmakers slipped, tracking US peers, as media reports on weak sales of Apple's new iPhone and China's probe on alleged antitrust violations weighed on investor sentiment amid global anxieties. Samsung Electronics Company Limited and SK Hynix Incorporated closed down 2.0% and 3.3%, respectively. South Korean carmakers slumped on growing uncertainties with the sub-index for transportation falling 2.1%. Shares of Hyundai Motor Company closed down 3.9%, hitting their lowest close since November 2009, while its affiliate Kia Motors Core and its parts producer Mondo Core fell 4.7% and 6.6% respectively, while chip shares and auto shares plunged, dragging down the Kospi index, compared to losses in the US and Chinese markets. It wasn't bad, said Ha Jaewon, an analyst at Eugene Investment and Securities. The won was quoted at 1,125.8 per dollar on the onshore settlement platform, 0.25% firmer than its previous close at 1,128.6. In offshore trading, the won was quoted at 1,125.8 per US dollar, down 0.07% from the previous day, while in one-year non-deliverable forwards it was being asked at 1,104.85 per dollar. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan was down 1.10%, after US stocks ended the previous session with losses. Japanese stocks weakened 1.09%. The Kospi is down around 14.9% so far this year, and down by 7.36% in the previous 30 days. The current price-to-earnings ratio is 12.10, the dividend yield is 1.28% and the market capitalization is 1,242.04 trillion won. The trading volume during the session on the Kospi index was 274,836,000 shares and, of the total 894 traded issues, the number of advancing shares was 282. Foreigners were net sellers of 255,869 million won worth of shares. The US dollar has risen 5.57% against the won this year. The won's high for the year is 1,053.55 per dollar on April 2nd and the low is 1,146.26 on October 11th. In money and debt markets, December futures on 3-year Treasury bonds rose 0.03 point to 108.79. The Korean 3-month certificate of deposit benchmark rate was quoted at 1.7%, while the benchmark 3-year Korean Treasury bond yielded 1.936%, lower than the previous day's 1.94%. Reuters